Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and I am doing another video for a quick and easy card using the Nature's Poem suite. This is the Nature's Poem Design Series paper and I just love it. I feel like this one is going to be an awesome paper to have during the fall season. And it has a great stamp set and frame lids on this suite. This one is rooted in nature, which I just love all the trees and the leaves on this one, and honestly I love how the different sentiments as well as the font on this one look like. So really great. This one also has the Nature's Roots frame lids, like I said, and when you purchase those together you save 10% because you get the bundle price. And one cool thing about this one is that not only does it cut, but it also has some embossing dies. So 3 of the leaves have the cutting, as you can see, and then the embossing. So you get images, or I should say die cuts like this one. Is that not cool? So you run it first to die cut it, and then you run it again where you use only the embossing die, and here we go. You have it like so. So anyway, and I am trying to do quick and easy cards using the what am I saying here? The Design Series paper, because we have in July an awesome promotion where you get your Design Series paper. One of the packs will go free when you purchase 3. So I think it's a great time to stock up on Design Series paper. And so I've been trying to feature cards where I'm using only Design Series paper. And I'll show you in a bit 3 other cards that I have made. You might have already seen the videos, and if you haven't, then definitely I'll put the links in the description as well from all of them. But anyway, so the way, let's just go over dimensions because sometimes I forget about that. This is soft suede and it's 5.5 by 8.5. I had already folded this one, so use your bone folder so that you can get a nice fold in it. And then I have a piece of Tranquil Tide, and this one is I believe 4 3/4. Yeah, 4 3/4 by 3.5, which is gonna go over here. And then when I cut the Design Series paper, I actually cut it like so. So this one is 4.5, yes, by 3 1/4. Now then I cut a piece, this one in 1 1/4, in 1 1/4. But you can do it as bigger as, or yes, as bigger as you want. So this is how it will look. Then I have a piece of Whisper White, and this Whisper White is 4 3/4 by 3.5 as well. And I have a scrap of or a strip of Whisper White that it is a scrap, and this one is 1/2 inch, and it doesn't matter how big it is because we're gonna use it for our stamping. So I already have, like I said, die cut and embossed some of the leaves. So I'm going to be using one in Blackberry Bliss and one in Tranquil Tide. And I have also a leaf trinket already picked for this card, which I think is great. And let me just show you those trinkets. These are the leaf trinkets, and you get 2 designs in 2 different colors. So you get silver and copper, and you get 24 pieces on this. So you get 6 of each of the different trinkets. So really great pack. So now let's just go over these. The first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be gluing this section. And like I said, this one was like so. I don't know what I did here. Yeah, it was like so. Yes. And then I just cut it a piece, and it's going to go like this. So let's just make sure this one, yes. There you go. So this is how it's going to go. So let's just glue the first side, and let me get my adhesive here. So let's just go with it. Oh my goodness. Give me a second here. Alright, so we're going to be putting it like so. Then we're going to be using this one. I get it over my fingers here. All right, so we're gonna be putting this one like this. And then I'm gonna be putting it already here, as you can see. All right, so this one will go like so. And one of the cool things is I think this layout is perfect for any type of cards, because the design series paper really make it super quick and easy. And just think about Christmas cards, for instance. And I know one of the packs from the Christmas that we have in the annual catalog is actually on that promotion as well. So it will be awesome, don't you think, to have already cards that have these. Oh, and you know what? I did it again. I glued this one and I didn't put this like so. This one was supposed to go like that. I keep doing this. Anyway, I guess we're gonna, what should we do? You know what? I'm just gonna put it like so. It was supposed to be one with the bow, but we're just gonna do it without the bow for a second. And this one is the crumb cake classic whip ribbon. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do some glue dots first. And I'm just gonna put it on, I'm gonna be putting 3 of them. And I'm just gonna be putting them like so. And then I'm gonna be cutting, there we go. That way I have still the ribbon. And then let's just cut a little bit here too. And voila. So this is how we're gonna have it. Because I really wanted to have some sort of a ribbon or something. Then I'm gonna be putting these leaves, okay, and I'm gonna be using also glue dots for that, and I think I'm gonna be putting like so, and then the same thing for this one. Oh, you know what? I think I put my glue dots where I was not supposed to. I put it on the other side. So let me, you can remove the glue dots, as you can see, very careful. So let's just try again. You can see this side has it like so, and then this side is, you can see more of the veins. I like this side up. And I guess I could have left it the way it was, but sometimes I'm too peculiar for those type of things, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna put it like so, and then I'm gonna be putting this one on top of those, and there we go. Now I'm gonna be stamping this, and on this one I want to use the what is that I put here? Words are never enough. And I'm gonna be using, I think, you know what? I think I'm gonna go with the Grapefruit Grove. Let's see how it looks, and if I don't like it, then I just change to a different color. So let's just put it, yes. That way it kind of goes, I pull back a little bit of that color. So I'm just gonna, well, no, because I probably will need it in a second. So let's just cut and do the little banner, you know me. And this is where, that's why I always say it doesn't matter how large it is, because you're still going to be. And this one has a second sentiment that said something about, because it goes, words are never enough to thank you for all you do. But I also think that it will be really nice to send some other type of note with that one, don't you think? So I'll go ahead and change it. And you know what? Let me just do something here. Let me see if I have. No, I think it's there. So I'm just going to put with this one, yes. I'm just going to go ahead and put dimensionals. That's what I was thinking. Where are my dimensionals? So I'm going to be putting dimensionals in the back. And here we go. We're gonna be putting it like so. And then I'm gonna be putting a little bow using the Nature's Twine, which is this one, okay? And for this one, I think I'll pull the mint because I already have, and it comes with the 4 colors, as you can see. I've been using it a lot, as you're seeing here. But this is the Nature's Twine, and like I said, it comes in 3 colors. So let's just put the mint macaron one on this one. So let's just go ahead and, oh my goodness, let me just do the little bow. Okay, and let's just cut, and then cut, and there we go. And this one will go right here. Okay, so let's just glue that again. And pull it up. And voila. Now for the inside, we're gonna be putting this. And so I'm gonna be grabbing a piece of scratch paper. And we're gonna start with the Grapefruit Grove stamp ones, and then here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the Self Suede. And have you used already the new chamois? I mean, it's our new tool to clean our stamps. We still have the scrubber, which is great, don't get me wrong, I love it. But for this, when you are stamping, you want to go real quick. I mean, this one is great, and it only uses water, which I think that's the awesome part of this. So there we go. So this is what I'm going to be putting here, and we're going to be gluing this to our card. And what do you think? Let me just grab again my glue, and let's just put it here, and it will have a nice stamp inside where I can write. So here it is. There you go. You know what other thing we can do? I can use my sequins, and in this one I have these are the basic adhesive bag. If you remember back when we had the occasions catalog, we have these type of sequins, but it was bright colors. This time we got like subtle colors. So I'm gonna be using the ones that look like petal pink, which I think is petal pink, by the way, but anyway. And I'm just gonna be putting 3 of them. There we go. And so it add a little bit of something to it, don't you think? So let me just put them back. There we go. And so here it is. I am loving this type of cards. They're really quick and easy. And let me just show you the other cards that I've made using kind of the same layout. So here is another one. Like I said, has the words are never enough to thank you enough. I like this one, and I can put a little message for whoever I'm sending these. Then here's another one. Instead of doing it this way, I did the cut on this side. I mean, what about that? And then this one is just straight. I didn't do any flipping, but I think they're really great. And I love that all of them are super quick, easy. And the other thing, it really just showcased the design series paper on this one. So anyway, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do try to post really frequently. And also, don't forget about my ordering incentive. Go to my blog at Creating with Ali, where you can get the hostess code. And if you place an order using that hostess code, you get a card kit in the mail to make 4 cards where everything is included, all the embellishments, the paper, everything except the stamping. You'll have to provide the stamping, but you can use whatever you have at home, or even better, you can order it the next time with me. Now, if your order is $50 or more, you also get the accessory of the month. So anyway, you have any questions, do leave me a comment. I always love hearing from you. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.